Class 5th Standard, Subject EVS. Topic Lesson 3, Our Earth's Natural Satellite. The surface of the moon. The surface of the moon is rough and uneven. It is made of great plains and huge mountains. There are big round hollows called craters on the moon. These craters are formed when pieces of rocks called meteorites dash into the surface of the moon. The surface of the moon is scarred with millions of craters. The rocks that were brought back to the earth by astronauts tell us that the surface of the moon is covered with dark grey dust. Next topic is landing on the moon. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin stepped on the moon surface, while the third astronaut, Michael Collins, remained in the spacecraft to circle the moon and keep it touch with the earth. Why does the full moon shine? The full moon is the brightest heavenly body in the night sky. It does not have any light of its own, but shines because it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. There is no life on the moon. The earth is surrounded by a layer of the atmosphere, which absorbs a part of the strong heat of the sun and allows only a part to reach the earth during the day. Next topic is artificial satellite. Artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are human-made objects which revolve around the earth, just as the moon does. The space age
Next topic is artificial satellite.
When the first human-made satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched to orbit in space by Russian scientists. Since then, thousands of satellites have been sent into space by different countries. Phases of the moon. The different shapes of the moon as visible from the earth are called its phases. The shape during a particular phase depends on the lighted part that can be seen by us at a time on earth. Next topic is eclipse. What are eclipses? Eclipses are nothing but the shadows of the earth and the moon. First one is solar eclipse. Just as the earth casts a shadow on the moon also casts a shadow on the earth. When people in the shadow of the moon cannot see the sun, it is an eclipse of the sun or a solar eclipse. When does solar eclipse occur? At the time of eclipse, the sun, the moon and the earth are in a straight line as shown in the figure. Once the moon moves out of the line, the eclipse is over and we can see the sun again. Next topic is lunar eclipse. The moon revolves around the earth. At times during this journey, the moon moves into the dark shadow of the earth and does not receive any sunlight. Then it gets hidden from view. We call this an eclipse of the moon or lunar eclipse. When does lunar eclipse occur? When the moon comes out of the shadow of the earth. The eclipse is over and the moon can be clearly seen. At the time of the eclipse, the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line. Next topic is rocket. A rocket is used to launch an artificial satellite into space. Artificial satellites also give us different kinds of information about a particular area or region on Earth. This includes forestry data, groundwater data, fishing areas in the sea, and etc. Aryabhatta, launched in 1975, was the first Indian satellite. Bhaskara 1, Rohini, Apple, INSAT 1B, INSAT 2A, Kalpana 1, EduSat, Saral, and IRNSS 1A are some other Indian satellites. Thank you.